Rashmi Desai looked like a Mughal queen in a beautiful green lehenga avatar, Mangtika et al. As she walked the ramp for designers Anu Mehra and Iha Charisma collection for the Bombay Times Fashion Week. Take a look at the video to know more and hear it out from Rashmi Desai herself on what she has to say about her look and the designer.
confidence. I was feeling very beautiful. I was feeling very pretty. That our culture is so beautiful, rich, and it has its own glamour at the same time. If I am very much grateful to her that she chose me, and the kind of look that she has given me, वो भी इतना सुंदर है कि शायद ही I think it's a किसी भी लड़की की dream wedding अगर वो plan करेगी, they would wear something like this only. And शादी के लिए ना हर लड़की बचपन से plan करती आती है. So हर किसी का एक जो जोड़ा होता है क्योंकि वो लाइफ टाइम रखना होता है. So they think that is very very important, and I think this is the best thing that I have worn, and I have never worn this stuff in my shoot also. So I'm feeling so good right now. That is, her collection. Not only this, but the other collection, the other girls, they were wearing something very beautiful kaftan style and skirt tha. At the same time, it was very minimum, but it was looking very rich, and those girls were looking extremely gorgeous. So I have no words to explain more than this, but I would just say that please check her collection. You will definitely like it. और अब तो दिवाली आ रही है तो मैंने तो already सोच रखी है बहुत सारी चीज़ें.
Yeah, actually I will add on one thing. I'm thankful to her. Actually, I just wanted to have that attitude when she was walking on the ramp, and she has done justice with that. She was looking really gorgeous, and she walked through very, very nicely. Thank you, Rashmi, for that.
मेरे माइंडसेट को अभी मैं थोड़ा मेरा माइंडसेट सो चुका है विद ऑल माय गुड एंड बैड और व्हाटएवर स्टोरीज आई हैड. बट या ये वाले ड्रीम्स कभी नहीं जाते हैं. जब लड़की को सजने संवरने की बारी आती है, आई थिंक उनका पूरा हक बनता है. एंड आई थिंक सो आई लव ड्रेसिंग अप. मैं नॉर्मली लड़कों की तरह तैयार होती हूँ. आई लाइक बैगी स्टफ एंड ऑल हिप हॉप स्निकर्स और ये सब. बट व्हेन आई वेयर दिस आई जेन्युइनली फील सो ब्यूटिफुल दैट कि हमारे कल्चर में इतनी रिचनेस है, फिर भी हम कहीं ना कहीं कटौती करते ही रहते हैं. ऑलवेज. यस. I think it's my profession that allows me to experiment with my look and gives me that part, because हर कोई नहीं करना चाहता है और हर कोई अलग करने से भी बहुत कतराता है. बट मुझे हमेशा ये दिमाग में रहता था that I really want to do something that is not matching with the last character that I have played, or that I am going to play, or that I would want to play. So I keep doing research and I keep trying new stuff. कभी कभी उल्टा backfire हो जाता है, but it's okay. I think that's normal. Oh, that I will share soon. Sometimes things works out in a different way. God has its own plan, so I'll go with the flow and I'll tell you on the right time.